Okay, what if I told you that your absolute messiest, most chaotic research notes could be magically transformed into a fully produced, two-host audio podcast in literally under 2 minutes? Seriously, no joke. Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're breaking down a massive, game-changing update in the AI space that is going to save you hours every single week. That wild scenario I just described, that's not future tech. That is exactly what Google's NotebookLM can do right now. Let's dive into this because today we are setting up the ultimate briefing on mastering this tool, covering 10 insanely powerful productivity workflows.
But look, first we gotta address the elephant in the room. Are you still treating advanced AI like it's just some basic chatbot? Because the reality right now is that so many professionals and students are completely drowning in messy research, complicated data, and, endless 200-page PDFs. But instead of leveraging AI to do the heavy lifting, they're treating it like a glorified search engine, just typing in basic prompts and crossing their fingers. And honestly, that leads us right to this crazy stat: 10%. That is the tiny fraction of this tool's actual power that most people are even tapping into. Meaning, they are leaving massive, life-changing productivity gains entirely on the table. If you're just typing random questions into NotebookLM without structuring your workflow, you are literally driving a Ferrari in first gear. So, we need a massive shift in mindset here. See, standard AI tools are great, but they hallucinate, right? And they pull from the entire noisy, chaotic internet. So, you have to pivot. You need to start treating NotebookLM as your own private, highly secure research analyst, because it builds a knowledge base strictly from the specific sources you upload. No random internet junk, just pure, accurate answers cited directly from your own documents. Because it really all boils down to this one absolutely crucial rule. Your AI is only as smart as your sources. The true foundation of elite AI productivity is feeding the system the right documents. We are talking about your specific research papers, your private meeting notes, your company's actual Google Docs. Instead of asking it some generic question about the world, you are asking it to connect the dots specifically within your high-quality data. All right, let's dive into our first major workflow, the supersource hack. Look, if you dump 50 messy transcripts and giant PDFs into the AI, it can sometimes get a little overwhelmed and too broad. But if you generate a refined briefing document first and then convert that output into a brand new source, a supersource, you've essentially compressed all that clutter into one clean, hyper-focused AI brain. And let me tell you, the difference in answer quality is just staggering. Now, this next feature, it honestly feels like a cheat code. You can literally take a 200-page super dry business report or a dense academic PDF and instantly turn it into a natural, Spotify-style audio conversation. The AI actually creates two hosts who banter back and forth and discuss your material. It is the absolute ultimate hack for passive learning. You can review complex research while you're walking the dog or commuting to work. It's wild. But hey, the updates do not stop at text. We have officially crossed into the era of multimodal research. You are no longer stuck just uploading PDFs. You can now combine YouTube videos, audio recordings, live websites, data spreadsheets, and slide decks all into one single unified intelligence hub. So you can literally mash up a YouTube video with a CSV file and just ask the AI to find the correlations. How cool is that? Let me give you a really concrete, high-stakes example of why this multimodal capability is so incredibly overpowered. Imagine uploading a recording of a university lecture right alongside the professor's written slides. Then you ask the AI, hey, what concepts were emphasized more in the spoken lecture than in the written slides? Think about the stakes there. You're instantly finding those hidden gaps and subtle hints the speaker dropped that never made it onto the page. That is literally next-level intelligence gathering. All right, moving on to Section 1, Director Mode, where we customize the AI's perspective. Standard AI summaries can honestly be painfully generic, so you need to step in and play the director. You gotta customize exactly how the AI perceives and responds to your data. Don't just ask for a summary, force the AI into a very specific persona. Tell it to act as a harsh critic, a CEO advisor, or a marketing strategist. For example, if you've got a startup pitch, don't just say, is this good? Tell NotebookLM, review the startup idea like a deeply skeptical investor. You're taking the exact same information, but making it exponentially more valuable by forcing the AI to look through a highly trained lens. Okay, here's an elite-level analysis technique for you: finding hidden contradictions. Instead of asking for a basic overview, ask the AI to pinpoint contradictions across all your uploaded sources.
Suddenly, the AI is acting like a brilliant investigative journalist for you. It's highlighting conflicting opinions, exposing weak arguments, and spotting missing evidence across dozens of files. This is how you level up from merely reading info to actually analyzing the underlying tension between different ideas. Now, for all the creators, writers, and marketers tuning into this explainer, we all know the absolute dread of the blank page problem, just staring at a blinking cursor for an hour. But with NotebookLM, you can just dump half-baked, messy voice notes and random thoughts straight into the system and instantly auto-generate structured YouTube outlines, weekly newsletters, timeline graphics, even full social media campaigns. You completely bypass the hardest part of the creative process. Which brings us to Section 2, Competitive Intelligence. Essentially, your 24/7 junior analyst. Look, if you work in a competitive market, staying ahead usually means slogging through hundreds of pages of market reports. But now, you basically have a tireless junior analyst on call 24/7. You just upload competitor websites, product docs, and financial reports, and command the AI to instantly generate a comprehensive comparison matrix. You can cross-analyze competitor A, B, and C across their pricing strategies, their core value propositions, and their target audiences. Something that used to take a human analyst 3 grueling days of reading and formatting spreadsheets is now delivered to you, perfectly accurate, in about 10 seconds. So the truly crucial point here is that this tool scales with you. And this is really the climax of these productivity hacks, where things genuinely become superhuman. You can connect NotebookLM directly to your evolving note systems, like an Obsidian Vault or live Google Docs. And because those docs automatically sync, your AI knowledge base keeps updating over time. You are essentially building an infinitely evolving, highly conversational second brain that literally gets smarter every single day you work. And that leads us to Section 3, the Elite Prompt Strategy, focusing on frameworks over basic prompts. Because advanced users, they don't just chat with their AI, they don't just say, hey, tell me about this. They use structured prompt frameworks to turn the tool into a true, rigorous thinking partner. Take the Feynman prompt, where you ask it to explain this complex topic like I'm 12 years old. Absolutely incredible for rapid learning. Or the decision matrix prompt, forcing the AI to weigh cost, scalability, and risk to help you make massive business moves. There's the critic prompt for really deep thinking to challenge your own assumptions, and the action prompt, which instantly transforms your chaotic meeting notes into a prioritized, step-by-step task list. When you step back and look at the big picture, the stakes of this whole explainer become pretty crystal clear. On one side, you've got the average user, completely overwhelmed by data, constantly playing catch-up and wasting hours on manual synthesis. But on the other side, you have the NotebookLM power user, making much smarter decisions, learning way faster, and pushing out incredible output. The people who master these specific workflows are quite literally buying back hundreds of hours of their lives, while everyone else just gets lost in the noise. So we've covered the supersource hack, multimodal analysis, and turning dry PDFs into those crazy engaging audio podcasts. But remember, AI is really only as powerful as the creativity of the person using it. So I want to hear from you. Drop into the comments right now and tell me, what is the absolute craziest, most unique way you would use these new NotebookLM powers in your own job or life? Let's get a massive brainstorm going down below. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and I'll catch you on the next one.